Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make the easiest and soft layered chapati. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's recipe, you will need 2.5 cups of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, optional if you don't like sugar in your chapatis, 3 tablespoons of ghee or oil, and lastly, you will need 1.25 cup of warm water. In a bowl which has the wheat flour, you'll start by adding 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and give a quick mix. And add 3 tablespoons of ghee or oil and continue mixing till everything is well mixed. And lastly, you'll pour some warm water. You'll start by adding 1 cup of warm water. Pour some water while mixing. If you notice that your flour is still dry, you can add more water till you get a soft dough. It's really important to use warm water when you're kneading your chapatis. This is really important, especially when you're in cold countries. This is to make your chapatis more softer. After pouring some warm water, your dough has to be like this. Then you have to knead your dough till it's soft. To avoid the dough from being sticky, you can add 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil and continue kneading for at least 3 to 5 minutes. And my soft dough is ready, as you can see in the video. When you want to know that your dough is ready, press it in and it will come up immediately. Then your dough is ready. Then divide the dough into 6 small balls according to the numbers of chapati that you want. Then afterwards, fold them into smooth small balls like this. And once you're done, cover the balls and put them aside for 30 minutes to 1 hour so that the doughs get more softer. And after 30 minutes to 1 hour of rest, take one dough at a time, sprinkle some flour on top and at the bottom, and roll it out into a thin, flat circle. Once you have a thin, flat circle like this, you'll add a half a teaspoon of ghee or oil and spread it around the circle. When you're done spreading the ghee, you'll sprinkle a bit of flour and it's high time to fold the chapati. When you want your chapati to have layers, this is one of the techniques of folding to get a layered chapati. You have to fold it in this way, and when you're at the end, stretch it out to be long and roll it like a foil, as you can see in the video, step by step. And my dough is ready, as you can see in the video. I will do it for the second time so you can able to understand. To get the flaky layers, you'll start by folding the sheet of the dough into a long shape. And when you're done, stretch it out and roll it into a cowl. Repeat the process with the other doughs like this. For the second roll, I will roll out the cowl. Take one cowl at a time. Each cowl of dough is rolled out into a flat medium circle. Sprinkle enough flour to prevent the dough from sticking. When you're rolling out the cowl, make sure you roll evenly and don't roll in the middle too much, or else the chapati will be too hard at the center when you bake them. And it's high time to bake our chapati. Preheat the pan and make sure the pan is completely hot before placing the chapati. And when hot, place the chapati on top of the pan. Using a clean towel or a kitchen paper, twist the chapati on the pan so it can have a slightly brown color like this. Then flip it on the other side and cook it till slight brown color. Once your chapati has a light brown color like this on both sides, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil and flip it and cook it for 1 minute till your chapati has a nice golden brown color. Using a clean towel or a kitchen paper, twist the chapati once more so that it can cook evenly to have a nice golden brown color. And once the chapati has a nice golden brown color like this, flip it once more and cook it again for 1 minute. And my soft layered chapati is ready, as you can see in the video, and continue with the rest like this. And my soft layered chapatis are ready, as you can see in the video. You can eat along with coconut beans, stew, or anything that you like and enjoy your chapatis. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of chapatis, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.